Hello there, welcome everybody, it's Diorama Don here. If you saw my last video, I made these fuel barrels, 5/8 diameter plastic piping and cardboard either end. But if you watch the video you'll see how I went about making them. And also these jerry cans, all 1/35 scale, so quite small and fiddly to make, yeah. So if you need to know or want to know how to make these, then please watch my last video. But for this video I'm going to incorporate them into a diorama, so there will be it will be a fuel dump, like there were very many dotted across Northern Europe in 44-45. In fact, it became a bit of a problem. They couldn't get the fuel there fast enough. But anyway, you don't want a history lesson, I'm sure. So I've got a piece of 3/4 thick polystyrene, and I've cut 11 inches by 9 inches, and I've put a border of 2mm cardboard all the way around with a slight lip on the edge there. So what's going to happen is I shall utilize all my barrels there and put my jerry cans in a certain position, but at the back what I've done is I've got the innards of a toilet roll, so easily available. Everyone's got toilet rolls, I'm sure, in their house. So the inside cardboard cylinder of a toilet roll, and I've put cut 2mm card, the same diameter, on the ends. These bits round the diameter, you could use elastic bands. I suppose that would be the easiest way, actually. But what I did was cut the end of a balloon, the neck part of a balloon, and put those around. It does give that round look, which is what we're after. It's the right shape. And as for the top, this is a fuel. What would you call it? I don't know. A fuel container. I'm sure there is a word for it. It just won't come at the moment. As I walk around the town where I live, I can't help but look on the floor, mainly for money. But sometimes I find things on the floor that have been discarded or thrown away or lost by people that I think, oh, that will be an idea. I'd be able to use that for something. So a few weeks ago I found this, whatever it is, I don't know what it is, and I've utilised that as the top part of my fuel container. So you can use whatever you like, washer with a nut on the top, anything would do, but I just thought it would be the right shape. And also I've made a square of 3/4 polystyrene, and that will sit in there like that. Okay, and that will go on the far corner like so. So that will make up my fuel dump, and then my cardboard tiger tank will sit somewhere like that. And then I'll disperse my not oil drums, fuel drums around, and maybe even put some jerry cans on the tank. That might be an idea. So I'll stick my polystyrene on, spray my fuel container. I still can't think what it might be called. Spray that and paint that up in probably the same olive green, and the floor I shall put wall filler, not a very smooth, but a rough surface, a rough surface of wall filler over there. And then I've got some black grout that I shall put on the top, which will look like ground cover. It'll look like a muddy sort of area where you would probably find a fuel dump to be. So that will sit in there, that will sit on there, and that will be the diorama. So it's not going to take me long to do. So I'll go ahead and do it, stop talking, and I'll come back and show you what I've done. Just a quick update then. I stuck my concrete plinth onto the diorama base, and I've given it a coat of wall filler, just slightly watered down, and then teased up the surface to give the impression of ground cover. So I'll carry on with a grey grout on here, and then a darker grout for the ground. And my toilet roll I painted or sprayed red oxide, and then gave it a haze of black spray black spray paint on the top, just to give it a more aging look. And then that will sit in, I'll go on, that's it, that will sit in there like that. So I'll carry on, do the rest of the plinth and the ground, and that will be basically all. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so finished all now. Put my grey grout on the concrete plinth at the back there, and just dabbed off with the back damp sponge just to reveal some of the white underneath. So that gives a good weathered concrete plinth there. Stuck my toilet roll in the plinth, and all my barrels and jerry cans. So all I have to do is put my cardboard tiger in there, and then that makes the scene. It's probably the quickest diorama I've ever done. Only took a couple of hours to do the whole thing. Admittedly, it took a while to do the cans and the oil cans and the jerry cans, but there we are. It's all in situ now, so it looks a lot better. So there we are. Thank you for watching this very short video. If you've enjoyed it, if you've got any ideas that it might have given you, then it's all been worthwhile. But please subscribe to the channel. That's the main thing. Please subscribe and click that like button, and you will be informed when new videos come along, of which there are at this moment in time 130 videos, which I've done in the last 9 months. So lots to go back and look at, and lots of new videos to come. So click that subscribe button, no charge, and you'll be informed. In the meantime, thank you very much again for watching. Have a go yourself. Let me know how you get on. Cobwebs. And yeah, let me know in the comment section how you get on. And I'll see you in the next video. And as always, I wish you happy modelling.